waiting for you at home? Is that you in the floating underwear?
Yeah.
You're gonna get us arrested.
Shut up, we just found Carl. Look, someone needs to give him mouth to mouth.
I'm not touching those lips.
I don't know CPR.
Well, someone needs to do it.
Then someone should do it.
Don't look at me.
You have no idea where I'm looking.
Well, fine. I guess we'll just wear underwear the rest of our lives then, huh?
That sounds like paradise to me.
Ooh, it does. I want a zebra print thong, and I'm gonna buy it right now.
You go through my sock drawer.
I thought you were dead.
Come on, I think I need a change of underwear.
Stripes are slim, but just for the record, you want to make sure you wear those on the outside.
This is like a racing stripe.
Yeah, those are racing stripes, if you consider diarrhea to be a sport.
That's how I got it for so cheap at the store. It was pretty skidded.
Pre-skidded? By who? From the bomb factory?
What are you doing? No, wait. No!